This will be our lesson on zero and negative exponents. Like usual, I'm going to let this sit here for about 30 blank seconds just so I can get the thumbnail what I want it to be. If you want, you can go ahead and fast forward to the 30-second mark right now. Alright, go ahead and put these in your notes right away. Our zero and negative exponents. Any non-zero number to the zero power is 1, and any non-zero number to the negative nth power is the multiplicative inverse of its nth power. Yeah, that's really confusing. Let's go ahead and take the next couple minutes to make sense of that. The powers of zero is real simple. 5 to the 0th power is 1. 10 to the 0th power is 1. 7.265 to the 0th power is 1. Anything to the 0th power is 1. Anything, you're asking? Yes, even a zebra to the 0th power is 1. Negative exponents are a little bit trickier though, but really they're not that difficult. For example, 4 to the negative third is just 1 over 4 to the third. It's not negative 12, it's not 4 times 4 times 4, then make it a negative. It's 1 over 4 to the third, which also means 6 to the power of negative 8 would be the same as 1 over 6 to the 8th. You can see how I just take this exponent, I make it not negative, I put it as the denominator with my base right there. Go ahead and hit pause and try these. There you go. 7 to the power of negative 2 is just 1 over 7 squared. 15 to the power of negative 8 is 1 over 15 to the 8th. 3 to the power of negative 4 is 1 over 3 to the 4th. And x to the negative 5th is 1 over x to the 5th. Now let's see if you can turn these back into negative exponents. I've written them the proper way. See if you could make them the improper way where they started. Hit pause now and try. And there you have it. Those might be good to add into your notes as well. Now we're going to get a little bit trickier. Hit pause and try these. There you go. You can see in the top one they have the same base. So really now I'm just using product of powers rule where I add the exponents because they have the same base. That shows me that I have 5 to the power of whatever negative 3 plus a negative 2 is, which is a negative 5. Then I go back to my negative exponent rule. I take my exponent, make it not negative, bring it down there. My base comes across as well. The one right below, 3 to the 4th power, all to the power of negative 8. That's my powers of a power rule where I just multiply those exponents. Negative 8 times 4 is negative 32. When I'm looking at 3 to the negative 32nd power, just like before, I go 1 over, base goes there, exponent becomes positive and goes right there. That's it. That's zero and negative exponents. Pretty simple. Have a good day.